Hi, I'm Sharon Bill. As I progress through my lessons for Grade 1 Discovering Music Theory from the Associated Board Grade 1 syllabus, I move on now to Chapter 5, which returns to the topic of rhythm. This lesson now looks at ties and dots, which extends the note value of the previous note values we'd learned in the previous chapters on rhythm. The full lesson can be found on my Patreon channel if you visit patreon.com/Sharon Bill, and you can also find the links in the cards and in the description box. Sample examples of this lesson will follow on after this little video. Once you feel ready to take your ABRSM Grade 1 Music Theory exam, my book How to Take Your ABRSM Music Theory Exam Technique Guide will give you top tips on how to best prepare for your exam and how to make the best use of your time to get the best marks possible. And you can find this on Amazon, and again you can find the links in the cards and in the description box below. Enjoy your studies. Bye.
And so here we have a 2-beat note, a minim, and here we have a crotchet, and so 2 plus 1 equals 3 beats in total. Here we have a 2-beat minim, and then we have another 2-beat minim. They are tied together, so that will be 4 beats. And as I mentioned before, that's the same as a semi-brief, but you couldn't have a semi-brief sort of split over the bar line. You can't split the note and straddle it on the bar line. And a 1 beat, that's 3. And so this is our missing bar. We are a beat short. Now, if you remember, a dot is half of the value of the note that it follows, and so in order to make the dot the right value to complete the bar, we need to place it next to something that's twice the value that we need. And so we need 1 beat, don't we, to make 4. And so in order for the dot to be worth 1 beat, it needs to follow something twice that. It needs to be placed after a 2-beat note. So we know that a crotchet is 1. Half of that with the dot is a half, and then there's our remaining half in this quaver beat. 1 plus half is 2, and so there's our bar line. Using a ruler, keep it nice and neat and staying within the lines of the stave. And then let's just think what we're going to be grouping first. Let's not get too carried away with writing straight away. So a half plus a half is 1. There's 1 beat. A half plus a half is 2. Now we know that that's 3/4 because a half plus a quarter is 3/4. There's our remaining quarter of a beat. They will go together.